So when I got this Jeep from my uncle, there's a piece of duct tape right around here. And duct tape was a signature repair of my grandfather, so I assume that's where it came from. Somebody pulled it off one day saying, "What is this?" And underneath there's a big old crack. This windshield is not attached at all. I could see somebody put in a little bit of braze, but it didn't stick, so duct tape was the answer. We're going to try to fix that with a welder today. Right after this. Try to let you see what I'm talking about here. Got the windshield raised up. Not attached one bit. There's a blob of braze right there. So somebody tried. But I'm just going to try to clean it up a bit. Line the pieces up. Oh my gosh. Got some fat people breathing going on here. And then I don't know if I'll MIG or TIG weld it. I'm sure the MIG would be easier, but need to get good at TIG welding. Why not practice on a priceless artifact from the relics? So after some wire brushing and further review, this thing was fully brazed. It just cracked. I have no idea if I can TIG through that. And I'm not about to try to grind it all out, so we'll just get it hot with the torch and see if the filler rod wants to go in. If not, bust out the MIG and make an ugly weld. Who cares? It's not like this thing is perfect. It's got a few missing parts, and I believe the entire side of this thing was just kind of pop riveted on. So we're not worried about originality here. All right, good luck to me. And just like that, I stuck the tungsten right into the weld. Probably be better if I was sitting down for this. Be back after I grind that sharp again. I'll be honest, I don't know how to do this. I'm just trying here. I'm making a real mess of it. Pretty sure I'll end up on the MIG welder, but let's give it one more shot here. See if I can get a better angle. It's getting hot. I don't think the MIG welder is going to do any worse than this. Yeah, I think I'll just switch now. That's pretty bad. Alright, be back in a couple. Well, I kind of foreshadowed that. I don't know how to TIG weld yet, and trying to TIG weld through some prior brazing and old mild steel didn't work out for me so good. However, I will say this about it. I stuck two pieces of metal together. So next up is the MIG gun. I'm no expert at this either, but we'll see what happens. Wow, smells like burnt hair. Oh, that's a lot worse looking. Let's keep going. Eesh. That weld is thick and looks like it'll knock off with a hammer blow. Whatever happens, I'll have to file that down to be able to shut this windshield again. I think I'll keep at it though. Oh, we blew a hole in it. When I say we, I mean I blew a hole in it. Try to fill it in. Alright, so welding through braze makes a really ugly product. Probably should have ground it out, but we'll get through the summer. Oh my god, it's a thing of beauty. Brush it off. Then we'll zoom in. So hot sparks are still coming off. I wonder if paint in 1946 had lead in it. Would you look at that? Damn, I'm good. This seems like a job well done to me. I am going to grind that down smoother and find some blue paint to cover that up because it's pretty ugly. But that's how I do. I think I spent a lot more time with the flat bastard file than anything else. Here is what we got. The weld was super ugly before. Not so pretty now, but maybe with paint we'll be doing all right. And it's attached. Do you think the windshield can close? That's the next step. got a little gap here where some rubber gasket's gone, but maybe whoever brazed it didn't move the windshield. No, it just, that cracked off. That's probably old as F. This one's starting to crack away too. So, pretty decent for what we can do with the shop I got. I think it's time to go rip down the road and go to the ice cream store.